actually a teacher. My name's Jed, and the school that I taught at here in Belmont runs a subject called Marine Science. Marine Science is mostly an outdoor subject where students learn to snorkel, to scuba dive, to fish, get their boating license. It's just a whole lot of fun. However, it also involves some theory work, and that work is based around ecosystems, the recycling of energy, the recycling of nutrients, recycling of elements such as nitrogen and carbon. And the question you ask then is, well, amongst all this fun, how do you actually get this across to your students without resorting to just a textbook? Well, the solution, believe it or not, is aquaponics. And a chance encounter with Rodney, the aquaponics gardener man, meant that a proposal was made to the head of my department and my faculty to build an aquaponics system, and right from the get-go it received enormous support, and Rodney came over within a few days, and with the help of some grade 6 students ended up changing a space that was just dying buffalo grass and gravel into this magnificent big green recycling and energy storing machine. Strawberries without pesticides never tasted so sweet. Snow peas kept disappearing in between periods and over lunch and over recess. The lettuces thrived and tomatoes ripened in the summer sun. The actual smell of the sweet smell of herbs wafted through classes and through playground spaces, giving away its vocation. So that it wasn't long before the canteen and the cooking classes were sneaking over and grabbing stuff to use. After a while proved the old adage that if you give a person a fish, you feed them for a day. However, if you teach them how to build an aquaponics system, you don't just feed them for a day, you feed them for a long time, as well as their friends, and you change their lifestyle. They end up eating fresh, organic and healthy food, all plus. The end result, of course, was that the fish grew bigger and fatter. The food grew quickly, tasted sweeter, was healthy for you, and the lessons were outstanding. Finally, we have the system that involved commitment, responsibility, that created an independent source of food, and that also promoted healthy living and a healthy lifestyle that was fresh, organic, and focused students on the planet, the environment, and enable them to tread lightly. So, in conclusion, I have to say, Rod's the man. If you want aquaponics and you want a system that works, and a system that changes a space from, in our case, something that was pretty ugly and bland, to this big, beautiful, organic machine that put out energy, tasted sweet, recycled, and promoted healthy lifestyles, then give Rod a buzz, give him a call, change your life, it's worth it.